Now that you've uploaded all of your Divi layouts for the Rejuve kit into your Divi library, we're going to go ahead and add pages on to your website. I'm going to make the assumption that your website is displaying a coming soon page and that you don't have it currently live. Now, if that is not the case, I recommend reverting your website to a coming soon page or doing this on a test site and then moving everything over. But I wanted to go over this because it'll actually save you tons of time if we do, if we make the pages active from the outset so that we can just add the links as we are adding the content. It's going to all make sense right now. So go ahead and go over to the pages area. And we are going to add our pages in. So all of the layouts that were included with the Rejuve kit, they're in the Divi library already, but we need to actually add the pages onto your website. And these are the pages where like the URL goes. So it'd be like your website /home/about/services. So that's what we're going to do here. So go ahead and click Add New. And I'm just going to go over a couple of pages with you, and then you can do the rest because it's essentially the same thing over and over again. So we'll start with the home page. And we're going to click Use Divi Builder. And because you already have all of the kit's layouts uploaded to the Divi library, it's going to be really simple from here. And then we will go back in and we will actually customize the pages after we have them all set up and ready to go in your website. So go ahead and click on Choose a Pre-Made Layout, the purple one in the middle. Let it load. Now remember, we're working on the home page right now, so we're going to click your Saved Layouts in the middle. And we're going to find Home Page, super simple, corresponding title to the page that you're creating. Let it load. And we're not going to make any changes to this right now. We're just going to add the pages. But something that's important that will make your life so much easier is if you go ahead and click Publish now. If you're displaying a coming soon page, this really won't matter. And you will be able to revert it back to a draft if you need to. But in order for us to add links to every single page without having to go back in multiple times and set the links, it's easier if we just go ahead and publish every page as we go. So once you've done that, go ahead and click Exit Visual Builder. And once that exits out, go ahead and hover over the New button. And then when you're hovered over it, you can you can click on Page for New Page. And we'll go ahead and add the About page next. So it'll be the exact same thing that we did. We'll add the title. You can name it whatever you want, but this will be the About page. Click on Use Divi Builder. Give it a second to load to the front end. And if it does that, where it starts to save as a draft, it might take a little bit longer, just making sure everything is in its right place on WordPress. Again, click Choose a Pre-Made Layout. And for the About page, click on your Saved Layouts, click on About page, allow it to load. And if you need to refer to the master list of all of the pages that are included in this kit, just go ahead and pull up that checklist, and it'll include all the pages that are available for you to add to your website. You can just check those off as you load them in. So once you have the About page loaded, go ahead and click that Publish button just to make our lives so much easier. Let's just get that in there. Allow it to save and load. And once you're done with that, go ahead and click Exit Visual Builder. And then we'll go ahead and add the services page. And then from here on, go ahead and I'll let you do the rest by yourself and add the pages that you need. Again, just click on New, or don't click on it, hover over New, click on Page. And alternatively, if you wanted to add a new page from the pages in the dashboard area, you would click on Pages, and then you would click Add New here, and you will also see all of your pages show up here. I'll refresh it to see what we've already added on here. So this is where you can also find what pages are here. And there it is, home and about. So this next one that we are doing is going to be the services page. The services page is where you will find all of the services that are available by you. If you don't want to name it services, you can certainly name it whatever you want. Once you've named the page, go ahead and click Use Divi Builder. If you prefer to have multiple pages for all the services that you provide, I will go over briefly how to do that. I do have the kit. Within the kit, I have alternative features and quick add features so that if you would like to create several pages for the services page, you certainly can do that and just quick add, but that's something I'll go over in just a bit. So either way, you will need a main services page or at least one services page. So we'll just go ahead and do that now. Click Choose a Pre-Made Layout. Click your saved layouts and then click on Services. Allow it to load. And again, go ahead and click Publish once it loads fully. The next thing that we'll do after you've loaded all of your pages in to your website that you want to add, then we'll start going over how to customize those. So go ahead and click Publish. And I promise the publishing before your pages are completely customized will make sense after I show you how to include links, and you'll be happy that you did this because it will save you so much time. So once you're done with that, go ahead and continue on adding all the pages that you need, and then we will get started on customizing your website and then also customizing your header and footer.